My mom would have to be the person I know who really loves cooking. She's an absolute whiz in the kitchen and just loves cooking delicious meals for her family and friends. One of her favorite things to make is a big Sunday roast dinner, and you can usually smell it wafting in from the kitchen. She also loves experimenting with foods from around the world, so you can always count on her to be whipping up something tasty and unusual. I think that what makes her so passionate about cooking is that it always puts a smile on people's faces. Seeing how much her family and friends appreciate her cooking is what drives her to create and come up with new recipes. Some of her friends even joke that she should have been a professional chef. She's always ready to give cooking advice to anyone who asks, and she loves passing her knowledge on to others. She also likes to watch cooking shows on television and take bits and pieces from them when she's creating her own dishes. I'm pretty sure my mom actually finds cooking therapeutic and relaxing. She loves experimenting with different ingredients and flavors, and I think it soothes and relaxes her. It's like a challenge for her to come up with something delicious every time. And I think it's just one of the many things that makes her enjoy it so much. Thank you.